Your account cannot be created at this time. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue or your message being displayed on your iPhone when you are trying to create a new account, that is your account cannot be created at this time. So first thing, just head over to your settings to fix this issue and click on this general option over here after scrolling down, and you should see the software update section. So simply select this and make sure you have updated your iPhone to its latest iOS version. As you can see, I've already updated it to latest version, that is 18.5 iOS. So once you do all of that, finally scroll all the way down from over here and simply head over to your apps section and just open up the mail application, that is your mail application over here. So simply select it, and from over here just tap on this mail accounts and you should see option that is add account. So just head over to add our account, and since we don't have any account created at this time, so just head over to iCloud account. And if you don't see option that is create a new Apple account, you can just tap on this forget Apple account or password and you should see the create a new Apple account option. And once you're inside here, finally just enter your first name and last name just like this. So once you enter your first name and last name, you can just add your birthday just like this. So let me just quickly rewrite my birthday over here and simply click on continue. And from over here it will ask you for your email address, so just click on this don't have an email address once again. And here you should see there is an option that is get an iCloud email address instead. So just tap on that, and that is exactly what we want. So simply enter your name just like this, and just enter your @iCloud account. So simply click on continue. So make sure your name is unique, so it hasn't been taken one way or other. So now finally click on create email address just like this. And once you click on it, you just have to enter your password and verify it, and you should have successfully created your account just like that. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.